Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your touchpad settings are missing on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. View by to large icons. Select large icons and go to mouse. Click on it. In mouse you just need to, if you are using laptop, this is extra tab over here guys. In your laptop there is shown like touchpad option, touchpad tab over here. You just need to select that tab and enable device. You just need to enable the touchpad device guys. You can able to enable it. I'm actually in PC guys, that's why I can't able to show it. There you should good to go guys. You just need to click on touchpad tab and click enable over here and click apply and OK. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem. If not, let's move on to the next step. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Mice and other pointing devices, expand it and select the mouse or your touchpad device guys. Click update driver and click search automatically for drivers, and Windows has successfully updated your drivers. You need to get this message. After getting this, close out of here, and one more time you just need to do is just want to right click on it and click update driver and click browse my computer for drivers and set let me pick from available list. Just try to click on next and that's done. You just need to, the hardware you installed will not work until you restart your computer. You just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys. Click S and restart it. After restarting your PC guys, hopefully that can be able to resolve a problem, but if not get resolved, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator over here, click on it and click yes. Now in here command prompt you just need to type sfc space slash SEANNOW, sfc space slash SEANNOW, press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it to complete it. After completing this, you just want to restart your laptop guys. After restarting your laptop, you should good to go guys. So your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.